everyone, Primary 4, Ms. Hiba Ahmed is with you. Today we will take lesson 2 in concept 2, which is talking about supersensory organs. What are the nocturnal animals? This lesson is talking about the nocturnal animals. You remember what is the nocturnal animal that we take in concept 1? Yes, it's the bat. Why we call the bat a nocturnal animal? Do you remember? Why? Very good. Because it active at night to search for food. So the nocturnal animals, they are the animals that active at night to look or to search for food. All of these animals that you can see now, they are nocturnal animals. What is the meaning of nocturnal animals? Active at night. Why they are active at night? To search for food. So what makes these animals active at night, not during the day, like the other animals? There is 3 reasons for these animals to be active at night, not the day. Number 1, if this animal live in very hot habitat, so it's very hot during the day, so it go in the night to search for food because it cool in the night. So the first reason, in hot habitats, it's cool at the night, so it go to search for food. Number 2, some animals, its prey is only available at the night, so it go in the night to search for food. The prey of these nocturnal animals exist only in the night. During the day, they are sleeping, so they can hunt them only at the night. So these animals become nocturnal animals to catch the prey because its prey are available at the night. Number 3, some animals use the darkness of the night to hide from the prey and surprise them and attack them. So we have 3 reasons to the animals to become active at night or become nocturnal animals. Number 1, in the hot habitats, it's cool at night. Number 2, because some nocturnal animals, their prey are available only at the night. Number 3, to use the darkness and hide and surprise the prey. So, what makes these nocturnal animals available to catch the prey or search for food at the night? There is dark in the night. There is any light in the desert in the night? No. There is any light in the forest in the night? No. It's dark. So these animals have some things that allow them to search and see the food or search for the prey at the night. So these animals have supersensory adaptation. They have supersensory adaptation. What is the meaning of supersensory adaptation? Sensory meaning they have sharp senses that allow them to see the prey and to search the prey at the night. We will take 3 examples of the nocturnal animals that have supersensory adaptation to allow it to search at the night, which is snake, bat, and owl. Let's start with the snake. The snake can see its prey in the night because it has special body part. Can you see these openings? That's the special body parts in the snake. These special body parts allow it to feel or to sense the heat of the body of its prey. So, any living organism, there is heat coming from its body, and the snake use the heat that coming from the living organism's body or use the heat that coming from the prey's body and feel this heat and know the location of the prey like this. The snake see in the night like this, so you can see the rat in the night like this, but the snake feel the heat that coming from the body of the rat, so the snake know the location of the rat. Let's go to the bat supersensory adaptation. The bat has what? Echolocation, like what? Like the dolphin. Okay, do you remember what is the echolocation? Yes, it's a sound wave that returns or reflects from solid surface to its what? To its source. Very good. So here the bat make sound waves that go or travel in the air, and when it hit a solid object, it returning back one more time. So the bat hears the sound waves and know the location of the prey or the insect that he want to eat and go and eat it. Like the what? Like the dolphin. So the bad supersensory adaptation, it's the echolocation. Let's go to the third nocturnal animal today, which is the owl. Okay, do you know the owl? Yes. The owl have extraordinary sight and hearing. Do you remember what is the sight? Yes, it is a seeing sensory. Okay, so it has sharp sight and sharp hearing to allow it to search for food at the night. And it also, the head of the owl, as you can see, it's ball shaped. As you can see, that's the ball shaped of the head of the owl. And this ball shaped, or the head of the owl, is covered with what? It's covered with feathers. Okay, so this shape of the face of the owl and the feather in its head allow it to hear a far away sound waves. So by the ball shape and the feathers in its head, it allow it to hear a very far away sound waves. So it can locate the prey from a long distance. And also the owl can move its head in all directions, so it can search for the prey in all directions. Okay, so there's the owl catch its prey in the night. Why? Because it has a supersensory sight and hearing senses, and it has a ball shape that covered with feathers, and it can move its head in different direction like this. Okay, thank you for listening. Miss Hiba Ahmed was with you.